Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD pound dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist as well. So let's get started. So GBP USD is falling, and there are some recent developments on the Russia and Ukraine issue. So as a result, we are seeing huge up move on gold and US dollar. Gold is a safe investment option and dollar is considered as a safe haven currency. So as a result, we are seeing bullishness on the market. And that's why we are seeing selling pressure on Euro USD and GBP USD. So these two charts are on pressure right now. Okay, you can see here that Ukraine declares emergency. New satellite images show new deployments within 16 kilometers, etc., etc. So tension is intensifying. So as a result, pressure is there, okay, on GBP USD chart. And if you have a buy position, then my dear friend, then you are in a big problem right now. If you have a buy position, then keep in mind that market is falling and market will be under pressure at least for a day. Okay, so as a result, just watch the market around this level 1.3500 and 1.3450. If market breaks this level, then please exit from your position, because see, exiting at the right time is also very important. Okay, this is a news driven market now. If you are thinking that this level will hold, this level will protect you, no, nothing will protect you. In case there is a news again, then obviously no level will work in the market. This is a news driven market at all. So following strict risk management is on the only key right now, and very important for the survival. Yes, survival for the trader. And on the other hand, if you are looking for selling opportunity in this market, okay, then yes, obviously you have got selling opportunities as well. Okay, where, see, right now, if you have a sell position, well and good, but if you are looking for fresh selling opportunity, then I'll say that the already market has gone down. So taking a sell position in this market is quite risky here. Okay, because we have a support zone. So see, when market reaching the support zone, obviously we will get a small amount of bounces, isn't it? So I'll request you that wait for a market to go up a little. Yes, if we move to the lower time frame here, let's say 1 hour. Okay, see, market will be recovering at least a small time. So when market will be like this and will go down again, you can take a sell position. Okay, so when market is going for a fresh selling position again, you can take a sell. Otherwise, wait for the market. And if you want to take a sell position right now, yes, you can take a sell position right now as well. But taking a sell position right now is very risky, because your risk to reward ratio will not be much in your favor. Otherwise, the market looks very lucrative, but control your emotions. I think waiting for the market to go up a little, and when market is coming down again, then taking a sell position will be the best trading opportunity here, considering the present market scenario. Okay, but taking a buy position is very risky here. Even if GBP USD reaches the support zone, okay, support zone, watch the market. Do not take a buy position blindly. If you see that dollar is going for some correction, dollar is reversing, then only take a buy position on GBP USD. If dollar maintains this bullishness throughout the day, do not take any buy position, because this is a seller's market right now. Okay, and this is it. Nothing much to talk about, because this chart is not a good chart for the buyers, at least for a day. Okay, so most importantly, keep in touch with the news. Only news can save you. That's it. Bye bye.